All right, Yon World, we back with another one. Check this out. Today on my channel, I want to go over how Bitcoin is going to reach a $10 trillion market cap in the next few years, man. Now, it's a couple of key events that's going to happen, a couple of things I want to just point out to let y'all know why Bitcoin is going to hit a $10 trillion market cap. And we about to go over that on this video. So, first thing I want to show y'all is this article. It's an article about Bitcoin Bitcoin being the fastest asset to reach $1 trillion in market capital, right? If you follow Bitcoin, you will know this year it hit $1 trillion in market cap. And during that time, Bitcoin was around like $60,000, right? And I want to go over how it's about to hit a $10 trillion market cap in just the next few years, man. Now, by next few years, I'm talking about around 2024. It's 2021 right now, but it's gonna hit it around 2024. So we go to this article and stroll down. You can see the time it took assets to reach a $1 trillion market cap, right? And right here, you got all of the biggest companies in America, Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Google, Bitcoin, right? And this how many years it took. So it took 44 years for Microsoft to do it. It took 42 years for Apple to do it, right? It took 24 years for Amazon to do it, 21 years for Google, and 12 years for Bitcoin, right? Now this is crazy. And it's all is because of the internet, man. Y'all got to understand, like, the internet and the internet of things, the time we in, the technology, how everything is changing. I know a lot of people have been used to the norm of how the world been, how people been getting money, all of that. But everything is literally changing to the internet. Y'all got to understand this, right? Now, one of the biggest events that's going to happen, which a lot of people probably don't understand right now. Y'all going to understand it when it's all in the news and all in the media and shit. But one of the biggest events that happen in Bitcoin every 4 years is called the Bitcoin halving. Now, I'm about to share another screen with y'all. Share this other screen. And let's go over the Bitcoin halving, right? So it's the Bitcoin halving. We just had a Bitcoin halving in 2020. And if y'all follow the Bitcoin price, y'all know, like, in 2020, Bitcoin, it was around $3,000. You could get a whole Bitcoin for $3,000. Once the halving happened, it shot up like past $20,000. It shot up crazy. And that's because, just in simple terms, what a Bitcoin halving is when half of the mining rewards, are cut in half, right? So that means the total supply of Bitcoin is being distributed, is being cut in half. But what they're not saying is how the demand of Bitcoin is growing every single year, right? Remember, it only took Bitcoin 12 years to hit $1 trillion market cap, right? 12 years. That's half of the time it took the biggest companies in America, right? And this is all because of the internet. So once this Bitcoin halving happened and the demand keeps growing for Bitcoin, because by 2024, the demand gonna be even bigger for Bitcoin. It's gonna naturally be at a high number, like well above 60,000 per Bitcoin. And then when this halving happened in 2024, just think about all of the increased interest Bitcoin gonna have from, not just older people, but from younger people too, right? All the young people that's coming into the internet, getting exposed to Bitcoin, getting exposed to all of this cryptocurrency. They're gonna be way more interested and it's gonna be way smarter minds and developing this shit. So the price and everything is gonna go up just naturally, right? If you just understand human evolution, you know what I'm saying? Simple. And when this happened in 2024, the rewards for Bitcoin, it's not gonna be that many rewards. Let me just go down to the chart so you can see, right, how the blocks are being, the block reward, right? It was 50 Bitcoin per block, 25, then it was 12.5. Right now it's 6.25. And in the fourth halving, it's going to be 3.1 Bitcoin per block, cut in half. And then in 2028, it's going to be another big run in Bitcoin, man. That's why I know it'd be hard for some people to have a long-term vision. Like some people only thinking about this week, this month, this day, right? They ain't really thinking about 10 years from now or 5 years, or they ain't thinking about how far this shit is about to go. And that's what I'm just trying to put in your mind. Like, it's a long-term plan with this, right? And if you take it serious and understand this technology, man, like no matter what they say, it's the internet. Y'all know what the internet already did to the world, right? And this is the digital gold of the internet, right? It's gonna always be around, whether they regulate it or whatever they do. It's gonna always be around. That's the thing. It's being too integrated, and people realizing the power of it. So I'm just putting y'all up on game because y'all gotta know about this. Like y'all gotta know like that the market is still in an early stage, right? Bitcoin took 12 years to hit $1 trillion. All right, let me pull up this article again because I don't think y'all like understanding. Right, I don't see nobody commenting. Y'all must be taking notes because this is all facts, like factual. Everything I'm showing you is like a fact and it's going to happen. So look at this. The fastest asset to reach $1 trillion took Microsoft 44 years. Where do you think Bitcoin gonna be at in 44 years, man? In 24, like it's only 12. It did it in half the time it took Amazon. Y'all know Amazon. Y'all know what Amazon is doing to the internet. Amazon is shutting down stores. Like you can't even. What is about to be Amazon grocery stores everywhere in a minute? Pay attention. Y'all better pay attention. They already own Whole Foods. It's gonna be Amazon grocery stores everywhere. They taking over. You already know what Google doing. Stop playing with Google. Y'all know what Google doing. Taking over, right? And definitely, you do not want to play with Bitcoin. Do not doubt Bitcoin as a technology, a product, an integration, a utility, a digital crypto coin, an asset, whatever you want to call it. Do not doubt that project, man. Because it's going to go crazy and people going to be looking crazy, like still trying to do what they was doing in the 70s and the 80s. And nah, it's the internet. I'm just letting y'all know, man. I'm just letting y'all know what's really going on. And Bitcoin is going to hit $10 trillion market cap, right? And let me show y'all this. I want to show you. I want to end it off with this because I got to upload some more videos today, right? I got to end it off with this. Let me show you some for you people still stuck in the old times, man, right? In 1975, the market cap of gold peaked at 1.2 trillion, corrected by 50% and shot straight up to 5 trillion. In 2021, Bitcoin topped 1.2 trillion, Correct it at 50%, and guess what might follow? $5 trillion market cap. Now you can look at this and not take it serious. It'd be like, it's just something I don't understand. You can write it off as something you don't understand, something you don't have time for, something you don't want to learn. And that's your fault. That's on you. Ignorance is bliss. It's so much easier not to learn something and to be ignorant about something. It's so much easier to be ignorant and write stuff off like, that ain't gonna happen. It's easier on your mind. It's harder for you to understand this shit. Take an hour or two out your day and research and learn. Motherfuckers want to be entertained by everything. Distracted. They want to be distracted. They don't want to know what's really about to happen when it comes to the financial world, the greatest wealth transfer in the world, right? It's happening through energy and it's happening through the internet. Y'all got to understand what's about to go on, man. Please understand and please make some smart investments, right? Please just make some smart investments, you know? It's your boy Yon World. That's my video today on Bitcoin and the market cap. Understand what's going on. Understand Bitcoin is going to affect every altcoin from Shiba to Ethereum. And when that rise happens, so much money is going to come into the market. So y'all just got to be ready. And I'm just making this video to get y'all prepared, you know. So I just want y'all to be ready and watch this video over again if y'all need to understand anything. But I'm going to leave it at that. It's your boy. I'm out. Peace.